In this module, I'm going to be covering the concept of electrochemistry. The first concept that I want to go over is how to draw an electrochemical cell. So an electrochemical cell will look something like this, with two beakers of water side by side. Now what we want to do is run a redox reaction that can generate electrical energy. So how can we do this? Well, in one of our beakers, we want to run a reaction where oxidation will occur. And in our other beaker, we want to run a reaction where reduction will occur. So let's say in this beaker, we have a reaction. A goes to A, 2 plus 2 electrons. So A got oxidized, it lost 2 electrons. So what we're going to do is put a metal rod into this beaker that is called the anode. The anode refers to the metal rod in the beaker that gets oxidized. So we can think of anode with oxidation. So we're going to take these 2 electrons and send them up this metal rod. And what we're going to do is run a wire from the anode to our other beaker. We're going to place a metal rod in this beaker called the cathode. The cathode is the metal rod that goes in the beaker that gets reduced. So what we're going to do is run these electrons through this rod, through this wire, down our cathode. And in this beaker, we're going to run a reaction where reduction occurs. So let's say we have B2 plus these 2 electrons that we sent over from the other side, and B2 plus gets reduced to B. So as we can see, we ran a redox reaction from our anode, which is where oxidation occurs, through the wire to the cathode, which is the beaker where reduction occurs. Now this redox reaction and this transfer of electrons can generate electrical energy, which is the point of an electrochemical cell.